Hi there. In this video we are gonna talk about 20 of the most often mispronounced food words in English, including some very common words that you will encounter all the time. Guys, we have already discussed about all these common mispronounced words in previous video. So if you haven't watched the video yet, the link is in the description. Here the word is jalapeno. It's jalapeno. Jalapeno peppers are very hot. Now the word is vegetable. It's vegetable. Vegetable prices fluctuate according to the season. Here comes the another word, which is taco. It is commonly mispronounced as taco, but you should remember taco. I could really go for a taco right now. Now the word is dessert. It's dessert. Don't confuse it with dessert. Remember, it's dessert. There is fried ice cream and cheesecake for dessert. Now the word is lettuce. It's lettuce. Tom grows tomatoes and lettuce in his garden. Here the word is buffet, which is commonly mispronounced as buffet, but it's buffet. Guests may choose the buffet or order from the menu for dinner service. Here the word is breakfast. Remember, it's breakfast, not breakfast. Sit down and have breakfast with us. Now the word is herb, which is commonly mispronounced as herb, but remember it's herb. Here H is silent, so herb. She had been familiar with most herbs. Now the word is pizza. Remember, it's pizza, not pizza. Are we going to have pizza for lunch? Now here the word is almond, which is commonly mispronounced as almond, but it is actually almond. It was too late in the year for the almond blossom. Here comes the another word, which is caramel. It's caramel. To make the caramel, place the castor sugar in a pan with a little water. Now the word is mousse. Don't confuse it with mouse. It is actually pronounced as mousse. The chocolate mousse was smooth and creamy. Now here the word is mojito, which is commonly mispronounced as mojito, but it is actually mojito. I want my mojito. Now here the word is raspberry. It's raspberry, not raspberry. It is raspberry. For dessert, I dig into the raspberry bread pudding. Now here the word is espresso. Its correct pronunciation is espresso. Do you like espresso? Now here the word is onion. It is not onion. Remember, it's onion. Onion. It was too late in the year for onion production. Now, here the word is cucumber. It's not cucumber, it's cucumber. We had a cold cucumber soup as a starter. Now the word is fork, which is commonly mispronounced as fork. It's fork. Remember, fork. He picked up a fork and ate into his lunch. Now here the word is bowl. It's not bowl, it's bowl. Now the word is cocoa. It's cocoa. He likes to have a mug of cocoa before bed. Here the word is salmon. It's not salmon, it's salmon. Trout and salmon are plentiful in the river. Here the word is menu. It's not menu. Remember, its correct pronunciation is menu. Menu. The restaurant serves an all-day breakfast menu. Here the word is tortilla. Remember, it's tortilla, not tortilla. Tortilla. What could be easier than tortilla with melted cheese? Guys, thanks for watching the video. Comment down which of these words you have been pronouncing all wrong. Like and share the video. Do subscribe the channel if you really want to see more videos like this. And yeah, click the bell icon. Thank you.